Ambassador of Thailand to Pakistan, His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Azhar Mazlan, High Commissioner of Malaysia to Pakistan, His Excellency Pengiran Haji Kamal Basha bin Pengiran Haji Ahmed, High Commissioner of Brunei Darussalam to Pakistan. Welcome. His Excellency Yu Wana Han, Ambassador of Myanmar to Pakistan. His Excellency Pham Anna Tuan, Ambassador of Vietnam to Pakistan. Mr. John Paulo Alex, First Secretary of the Philippines Embassy in Pakistan. Welcome, sir. I don't think we have any female. Madam, she is not here. Minister of Indonesian Embassy. The distinguished guests from Embassy and members of Sialkot Chamber. Good afternoon. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the ambassadors of ASEAN nations and the regional rapid team to the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I wish to thank your excellencies for being our guests today to meet the business community of Sialkot, and we attach great importance to today's meeting for positive outcomes to further strengthen trade with the ASEAN nations. I am pleased to mention that ASEAN nations and Pakistan have always enjoyed a special as we acknowledge the important role of ASEAN nations played as a long-standing development and trade partner of Pakistan. ASEAN nations support through institutional mechanisms such as the ASEAN-Pakistan Joint Sectoral Committee, particularly in trade, infrastructure, education, and business linkages. In the area of trade, ASEAN nations remain one of Pakistan's around 4.95 billion, reflecting steady growth. ASEAN countries collectively account for a significant share of Pakistan's regional trade, and we believe there is still considerable potential to expand and diversify two-way trade across various sectors. I may propose some initiatives that could greatly help in enhancing our economic ties. Exchange of trade delegations is key to enhancing bilateral trade and fostering closer economic ties. We want to explore opportunities to send delegations, and we would also welcome delegations from the ASEAN countries as well. To fast track visa processing for Sialkot-based exporters, we propose to facilitate the travel of business persons between the ASEAN nations on short notice, thereby enhancing bilateral trade and strengthening. In this regard, we propose that the relevant ASEAN embassies consider appointing a focal person to develop a streamlined visa facilitation mechanism, ensuring smooth coordination for applicants recommended by the Chamber. In the past, several ASEAN institutions, including MAT Malaysia, TICA Thailand, and Trade Vietnam, actively organized various programs aimed at building the capacity of Pakistani exporters. However, these progressive initiatives have not recently been extended to the members of the linkages with these ASEAN bodies be re-established, and that both organizations explore opportunities to initiate new capacity building programs for the benefit of Sialkot's export community. Sialkot's journey from craftsman to successful Pakistan's premier export-oriented city. The small and medium enterprises of Sialkot earn foreign exchange of US dollar 2.63 billion. This is only from Sialkot, 2.63 billion annually. It is also worth noting that District Sialkot is the most labor intensive and enjoys one of the highest per capita incomes in the country. Excellencies, would appreciate that our footballs, field hockey sticks, cricket gear, and boxing gloves are used in international games, including the Olympics and the World Cups. The city has gained global recognition for producing official match balls for the FIFA World Cup. Guests will be pleased to know that Trionda, the official match ball of the Mission of Excellence in producing FIFA match balls. Sialkot entrusted by medics, surgeons, beauticians, and dentists, and textile sportwear. The export industry is fully compliant with international quality, social, and environmental standards, supplying products to top brands in the world. Excellencies, In addition to our business achievements, we have made remarkable strides in social sector development, social development organization, Sialkot Export Processing Zone, Sialkot Business and Commerce Center, Sialkot Tannery Zone, Air Sial, SCCI Medical Pharmacy, and Sialkot Medical City Limited. To visually showcase the achievements of Sialkot's proactive business community in both industrial excellence and social welfare, a documentary will be presented after my speech. I may sum up by thanking respected excellencies, the ambassadors of ASEAN, for visiting Sialkot Chamber. We look forward to a long and prosperous partnership between Pakistan and the ASEAN nations. Thank you very much.
The Sialkot Chamber of Commerce emerged as the unrivaled nucleus of progress and development. With an impressive strength of active members, SCCI has always remained at the forefront of advocacy efforts and played its promised role in the industrial development and economic growth of Sialkot and Pakistan. Trying to catch the wind with the net. Unlike confined to a city. Yes, sir.